Hello students, standard 7 subject max chapter 3 exercise 3.1. So here take out your textbook, page number 62. See here 3.1 exercise. First question is given. Find the range of the heights of 10 students of your class. So you have to take 10 students in your class and their height. Suppose here the solution I have done height of 10 students. So I have written A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are the 10 students and their height are given. See, A 117 centimeter, 117, this is centimeter. Okay, height in centimeter. B 111 like this. See, 10 students height I have. Any you can take and you write height of 10 students. Then what you have to do, you have to arrange in ascending order. See, small, then one, which is the smallest, 110, 111, arrange in ascending, smallest to biggest. Okay, now what you have to do, which is the highest means maximum 120, okay, and lowest 110. So what is the range? How we are finding? Highest minus lowest height. So 120 minus 110. So what is the range? 10 is the range of the given height of 10 students. Okay, second, quickly see here in your textbook. Organize the following marks in a class in a tabular form. So here marks are given. See, marks are given here, and you have to find first what first we do tabular form and tally marks, number of students and total marks. See, first you 4, 6, 5, 3, 4 and like this. We have to form table and then tally mark we have to draw. I have taught you in the introduction. So first number is 1. 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9. So you write down numbers, marks. 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maximum is 9. And then you have to draw tally marks. So how you will draw tally mark? 4 is given. So where is 4 here in the table? 4 is here. So you write down here, you draw 4, 1, 4 is there. Then 6 is there. 6 you draw like this. Then 7 is there, 7. 5 is there, 5, 1. 3 to 3. Again 5 has come, 5. Then 4 has come, 4. Then again 5 has come, 5. Then 2 has come, 6 has come. Again 2 has come, 6 has come. Then 1 has come, 9 is there, 1, 6, 5, 8 is there, 4 is there, then 6, then 7. So what you have to do now, you have to count and cross check also how many times 5 has come, how many times. One more 5 I have forgot, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are there, isn't it? So you draw like this. Then you total marks you can't count. See how you will count number of frequency. Number of frequency means how many times 1 has come. So how many times 1 has come? 1 time. 2, 2 times. 1, 1 time. 3, 1 time. 4, 3 times. 5, 5 times. 6, 4. 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, 1. Now total marks, how you will count? You have to multiply the, so 1 ones are 1, this number with this, 2 twos are 4, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, like this, 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12, 5 fives are 25, 6 fours are 24, 7 twos are 14, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9. Total marks you count, this total you count. And how many? Here 20. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and here also you count total. It should be 100. So now what is given here? Which is the highest? Which is the highest number? So here from this we can see highest number is 9. Okay, which is the lowest number? 1. And then what is the range of the data? So highest minus lowest. So 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is the range. Okay, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then find the arithmetic mean. So here mean you can find how? Mean is equal to what? What is the formula? What is the formula for the mean? Total marks upon number of students. So total marks is what? 100. Total marks upon number of students. Okay, so 100 divided by 20. This cut, what? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So what is the mean? 5 is the mean. Understood? This way you have to do. Okay, do yourself